We have with us, one of the icons of Jamaican literature and lore, Miss Lorna Willis. Lorna, please stand. A lady said to me one time, "You like how Lorna write, you know. What she write, you can read." Some of them Jamaican writers, when they write the dialect, you can't read it, you know. Okay. No money. She just reminded me that the CG hasn't arrived yet. You know, we have to give him a chance, you know, because the CG job is not an easy job, you know. All 4 o'clock in the morning, them calling you out to do things. Anyway, you still be here. Right? I was half expecting that this hall would be filled to capacity. I'm kind of disappointed. What? Rain?
Jamaican time.
You always blame it on the rain. Alright. But we welcome you. We're happy you're here. And you are going to benefit so much better than those who didn't come.
True.
Now, what I must say, every year, a dedicated group of people spend hours planning this event because we think it is important that you remain in touch with your roots. We think it is important that you do not forget where you come from.
True.
A lot of our people forget where they come from, and you'll be surprised to know how them don't benefit. No, I'm waiting for the Honorable General to come. You reach it. So, before you find me, or order me, I'm going to ask the Jamaican Folk Review to entertain you. Folk Review.
young like you. Johnny? Johnny? Come on, come on. When he was the whole night, look here. You're walking like a dog. Don't I ask you why I have to ask you the same question?
Let me tell you what, God.
Please.
Well, the river bend come down. The river bend come down. The river bend come down and the good come over. Me looking at the water, me looking at the water, me see Granty, Granty. Why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, how you come over? Me take this and the boat, me take this and the boat, me take this and the boat, and me chuck it on the water. Why, oh, why, oh, why? Tip on the boat, me tip on the boat, and me rock it for move.